I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call Out My Name on piano. Begin by understanding the song's key and primary chords. This haunting tune is often played in the key of G sharp minor. You'll primarily use two main chords, G sharp minor and D sharp minor. These two chords form the fundamental harmonic progression throughout the entire piece. Mastering these will give you a solid foundation to build upon, making the rest of the song much easier to learn and perform with confidence. Now let's focus on your left hand, which provides the rhythmic foundation. You'll play the root notes of our two main chords in octaves. For the G sharp minor chord, strike G sharp and the G sharp one octave higher. Similarly, for the D sharp minor chord, play D sharp and its octave. Keep a consistent, simple rhythm, usually hitting the notes on the main beats. The song's tempo is generally around 70 beats per minute, so start slowly and build your speed. Moving to the right hand, this is where the iconic melody comes to life. You'll notice a distinct descending pattern that defines the song's feel. When the left hand plays G sharp minor, your right hand will play G sharp, F sharp, and D sharp. Then, when the left hand switches to D sharp minor, your right hand will play F sharp, D sharp, and C sharp. Focus on the phrasing and add subtle dynamics to truly capture the emotional depth of the melody. To master this piece, start by practicing each hand independently until you feel completely comfortable with its part. Once confident, slowly bring both hands together, focusing on precise synchronization between your left hand chords and right hand melody. Incorporate the sustain pedal to achieve that signature atmospheric sound. Finally, add dynamic variations. Play softer during the verses and build intensity for the choruses, bringing the song's emotional journey to life on your piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.